Hello people and welcome back to Core on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest and most epic road moments Core on driver's dashcam. All the clips featured in today's episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching them. Real quick, before we start, thanks for the support and let's keep it moving together. Now, without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Camera came across a scene of a crash aftermath in which a truck was overturned in this construction area.
Brought home from the hospital. What?
Wouldn't you have to
Holy
give her
crap!
back?
Where that? I mean, that girl's parents got
Right,
it somewhere.
yeah.
Great question.
maybe-
Or maybe it's
they're
the
the
parents
ones-
under investigation and it
Right.
was just a...
Flip flop.
Yeah.
This is every foster kid's dream to happen.
Right,
Oh,
yeah.
just kidding. We're your real parents.
Yeah.
Come with us now
To live in our
stay
mansion.
home.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That would mess with your head for life.
My daughter's got this thing with the dog now. If the dog doesn't do exactly what she wants, like, hey Cassie, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. You're adopted.
Oh, that's not very
That's
nice.
Hammer was approaching the traffic lights and he caught a really bad crash as one driver who ran the red caused it all. Always stop at the red light, because those few seconds you try to beat the light can cost you your life and the lives of others. In this video, the camera caught some reckless moves done by some crazy drivers. The purpose of these clips is to show you how bad your decisions can affect you and the ones around you as well. Please, use your turn signals on time, don't run red lights, and for the love of God, don't dangerously cut in front of semi-trucks. Value your life more.
You see that? Yeah.
Of course I seen it. I told you to watch this. Stupid mother. Run him in the ground. Damn.
What the hell?
Ah, damn.
Don't you speak to my children that way. I've had it.
What's going on? Oh, Amazon rolled over. Look at him.
You can't keep her. She doesn't belong
Flipped
to you.
over.
Don't belong to you either. That doesn't stop you.
I had my reasons.
This crazy biker dangerously forced his way in front of two semi-trucks with barely any space left to pass, but he managed to find a space in the tight gap, and not only that, but he flew past them like lightning.
Whoa, what the goddamn motorcycle, man? What the
Hell?
He passed right between me and that goddamn semi. Trying to get him killed, man.
His car, but our car got that.
Oh! Good catch, baby. I never even seen it.
So how are they supposed to know? What? Look at this right. Look at it. Ate the light. Look at that. Ate the light.
We were just gonna go,
With you or no signal. Oh my God.
We have prisons to keep real life buildings.
Look at this. That's crazy. Really? Like why? Run the light? Wow. Okay, here we go. Another red light runner. Typical. Wow.
This driver was speeding on the road, but he didn't think that a police officer was there. Unfortunately for him, he told bad, and he was unlucky. A cop immediately switched his lights on and pulled him over.
Now the white car is the one that flew by and passed them. No, that's not him.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Core on DashCam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something out of this one. If you support this kind of content, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will really mean a lot. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.